everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a soft and moist ghee cake recipe that is not only eggless but also super flavorful. Along with the recipe, I will also show you how I packed these delicious Christmas treats for my friends and colleagues during the holidays. This is a must-try recipe, so make sure to save it for future reference. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour or wheat flour. I have used wheat flour for this recipe. Next, add 1¼ cup of powdered sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and cardamom powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together and set the bowl aside. Take ½ cup of ghee, add 2/3 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of curd or yogurt. Mix the wet ingredients well and now gradually combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, mixing them into a smooth batter. Next, add the saffron soaked in warm milk to the batter and mix thoroughly. Prepare your baking pan by lining it with parchment paper. Then pour the cake batter in and spread it evenly. Sprinkle the chopped nuts on top. I have used chopped almonds and pistachios. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Bake the cake for 30 to 40 minutes or until it is fully cooked. To check, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake and it should come out clean. And there you have it. The super soft and moist ghee cake is ready. Trust me, it is a rich, flavorful and absolutely delicious thanks to the wonderful ingredients like cardamom, saffron and ghee. Allow the cake to cool completely before cutting it into slices. Now enjoy your eggless ghee cake. For serving options, you can either enjoy it as is or serve it warm with a scoop of ice cream on top. It tastes absolutely heavenly. Save this recipe for when you are craving cake. And don't forget to let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. During Christmas 2024, I baked butter cookies and ghee cake to give it to my friends and colleagues. Instead of buying chocolates, I thought it would be nice to bake something at home. It adds a personal touch. I picked up some boxes from Dollarama and also bought stickers to make them look more appealing. I even used muffin cups to package everything nicely. I packed a slice of cake and a few cookies, then added a sticker that says homemade with love, along with another sticker listing ingredients that may cause allergies like nuts. This was my first time doing this, and it felt so satisfying and rewarding. I have already shared a video on how to make butter cookies. If you have not seen it yet, I will provide the link in the description box below, and you can also find the link on the video screen. With just 5 simple ingredients, I made these butter cookies, and they turned out absolutely delicious. Be sure to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Thank you.